Atta boy. Let's go. Nice shit, bro. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Jared. I like to hunt and fish and do all things outdoors. On today's episode, we are down here in Cutoff, Louisiana. Got my buddy Brock, my buddy Chet, and we're going to try for some fish. Goal today is to catch a couple speckled trout, maybe a couple redfish. But if that don't work out, we'll probably end up going for some bass. So y'all hang with us and let's see what we'll get into. We got a little fishing competition going on today. Brock,
yeah, we always got a fishing competition.
Brock thinks he's gonna outfish us.
Yeah.
What you think about it, Chad?
I wish him luck.
Alright, nothing to it but to do it. Let's get after it. Got my Undertaker cork from Mr. Kenny out of Slidell. Appreciate you, man. Got about 2 foot of leader line. Then I'm going with a 1/4 ounce golden eye jig head and a Kako minnow.
I didn't have any blue shrimp. I was out. That one hit. It's a Berkeley.
Nice little speck, y'all. Got my tail going. Put another one on, get back out there. It's the bait right there, y'all. Sea shad slamming chicken. My go-to bait out here in the marsh. I had a couple bites while I have my line out too. Atta boy. Let's go. That's a good trout, Chet.
It might be. Oh. That was almost bad. Hook to the face.
Oh, y'all, Chet's trout came all the way back here by me, or up to the front by me.
Yeah.
What? Dude, they here. Bro, you want my rod? What? I said the hook that time. Oh, God, I got his bro gone. Alright, remember that spot right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna spot lock this.
Dude, that thing was like kind of pulling some drag, huh?
Yeah, he hit it really hard. But like I said, that thing,
Sad.
the whole time I was fixing my line,
Oh, there's one.
sitting right there.
That one's on the pause too.
Really?
Yep.
What you call it on the pole?
The pause.
Nice bag.
Let's
The
go.
line hit the water.
All right, y'all. 2 in the boat. Keep after it.
There we go.
Oh, nice one. Keep dancing, keep dancing. Yeah. Oh. Chet lost a nice one. That's a big fish.
He didn't feel as big as the other one, but I think he was a keeper.
You didn't see him jump out of the water?
Yeah,
Oh.
I mean,
I didn't know if that was when you was trying to get up or not.
yeah. Yeah, so, yeah.
Too small. Now we just need Brock to catch one.
Working on it.
Gonna be tomorrow before he catches one.
Beautiful redfish.
Hey!
Yeah, there you go.
Nice fish though.
Good job.
Some nice trout, boy.
Very nice. On the money, huh?
Stout trout. Oh, nice fish, bro. That's a nice trout.
He wasn't alone either.
He wasn't alone.
Really wasn't.
How you could tell you wasn't by
Because one
himself?
tried to eat off the rock and then one swelled in front of it. That was definitely two. Yell him out.
Yell him out. Hey, attaboy. Knuckles, bruh. You want to give me a high five with his slimy hands? Get out of there.
My bad, dude.
I was like, what It sound like I was at gunpoint. You know what I honestly thought you had? I thought you had these little pliers right here, and you was like trying to grab me. Damn, it's
Somebody walk up behind you and stick a knife in your back. Give me your money.
Bro, you know what was hysterical to watch back on the film? Yes. Oh my god. I definitely got some flips in that, man. Oh, yep.
Oh, Speckled He was way off the rocks too.
Was he alone?
I don't know. Got that rock with the
Little bitty trout.
But he was, I mean, dude, he was right in the break of the calm and the wind.
Everybody saw it but me.
That's a trap.
Bro, Jared.
Anybody in the boat's line goes down, he's gonna let you know.
Alright, y'all, we picked up a couple fish off these rocks right here. We're going to try somewhere else. Brock wants to go hit the marsh for some reds, so that's where we're going to be at next. Set the hook. Brock's line got wrapped up on my pole. Quick thinking about Brock, he cut his pole and was able to land the fish.
You got one? You see that?
Chet's over there fighting the shallow water with the trawler pole.
I'm gonna go on the outside of these Rozos.
18's right there.
Or you think they got water inside?
Legal fish.
Huh? They got water inside?
Add them to the box. Let's go. Rain clouds are coming.
Beautiful fish.
Ace red.
Yep.
Oh, it's sideways. All right, y'all. Just picked up a nice one. But the rain is right there. Look at the rain.
Ain't much of a crowd cloud though.
We about to get wet for just a little second. That'll work.
Yeah, bro. I think that trout water has like a, when it gets in a bind for a second, it shuts off. Yeah.
On the humdinger, y'all. But when you catch them on that, it messes them up. Gonna bend that bait back right.
Redfish in the rain.
Get wet for a little bit with my partners. I'll pick the camera back up in a second.
What I find, normally I'll just set my magnet. I'll move the magnet.
Oh, get him, Chet. Good little fish. What you think? 17 inches?
I don't know. I don't think you would be.
16?
Oh, shit. No, he's 17. He's got to be 18 though, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 17. Right at.
Let them go, let them grow. Attaboy. Well, y'all, we just got done fishing in the marsh. Picked up a handful of redfish. Not sure what I got on camera because all that rain we had come through, but tried my best to get a few of the fish we did catch on camera. We can start making our way on in right now. We're gonna try to get on step. Not sure if we're gonna be able to or not because we ain't got no water. What is reading on the finder?
Right now we show a dot dot dot.
Right now
it's less than a foot under the boat. So we're gonna throw the jack plate all the way up. We're gonna throw the trim tabs all the way down, and we're gonna punch them.
Let it rip.
Get this right on step.
That's right. Let's see if we get it.
Well, y'all, that's a wrap for the day. Just finished fishing. Picked up the boat and got it all strapped down. Wasn't the best day, but better than being at home.
That's right.
Thank you for watching. Go back, get some lunch, clean some fish, clean the boat, subscribe to the channel. Later.